Today, we're talking about smart rings. Smart ring technology has been around since 2013, but only recently has it matured to the point where we are starting to see significant adoption. Many companies have emerged as leaders with novel approaches of applying common technology to a ring form factor, and some have decided to keep the technology simple and offer a trendy approach to these wearables. I have found 4 adaptations of the smart ring in the market thus far: health and wellness, payments and authentication with building access and FIDO2 support, communication, and hand-based motion control for controlling applications or your home AI. Most smart rings on the market can perform many of these functions and at the same time. And Aura, a leading manufacturer of smart rings, has even found a place in the fight against COVID-19 by enabling frontline workers and sports teams a way to detect signs of infection days before symptoms occur. For today's discussion, I want to focus on smart rings in the workplace. I found one company that has stood out from the rest by figuring out how to biometrically authenticate to the ring itself before it can be used to represent your identity. I'm here with Melanie Shapiro, CEO and co-founder of Token. Thank you for joining me, Melanie. Let's jump right in. So first, I would love to know the thinking that led to the concept of a ring that is focused on securing our digital identity.
We, for the last few years, have been working on our product called Token, and we were really intrigued by the problem of people's personal data security. The amount of data that we're all putting out into the internet, it continues to grow so much so that the cost of cybersecurity in 2020 is expected to be about $6 trillion. That's so big that it ends up now on the top 5 list that contributes to our GDP. So it's a big number, and it causes a lot of pain for a lot of people, both individuals and enterprises. So Token is trying to reinvent the way that we secure data.
Can you run us through a day in the life of a corporate employee wearing a token ring?
I wake up, I slip my token ring on. When I put it on, it scans my fingerprint, so it knows that it's me, and Token is biometrically secured. So you lose it, leave it on a counter somewhere. If someone picks it up, they won't be able to access your credentials. So you wake up, you slip token ring on, and you leave the house for the day. And if you're a subway commuter, you can use your token to ride the subway. Now that things have moved to open loop payments in some cities around the country. And when you get to your campus, you can use Token to badge into your office. So, you know, those white badges you carry around and you stick up to the access reader. You'll no longer need to use that with Token. You can simply hold your hand over the reader without touching it, of course, and that will get you into your building. We're working on a really cool feature right now with the FIDO Alliance with FIDO2. It's an amazing initiative set forth originally by the FIDO Alliance to eliminate passwords, which we're obviously very passionate about as well. And so we're working on allowing for you to use Token to replace your passwords in browsers. And you can also, let's say you're catching lunch with a few of your friends at the office, you can use your token ring to purchase your lunch. As long as they have tap to pay, you'll be able to use Token.
That is amazing. I can't wait for the day when I can leave for the office and leave my badge and my wallet at home. Well, Melanie, thank you so much for spending time with me today, and please be safe during these very interesting times.
You too. Thank you so much for having me.
With the accelerated interest in smart rings, there is a race to see who can make the coolest, smartest, and most versatile ring. Many experts even believe that smart rings will eventually replace smart watches. We will wait and see.